Welcome back, fellow fitness fanatics. Our discussion today covers the potential dangers behind something we have probably all laughed at once before: snoring. People who are obese or unusually muscular are more likely to snore than individuals of average size, but even a petite person can be afflicted by this disruptive, sometimes embarrassing nighttime occurrence. Sleep apnea is one of the most common causes of chronic snoring. When a person has sleep apnea, their airway periodically collapses during sleep, leading to reduced oxygen intake, high blood pressure, heart disease, and more. If you suspect you or a loved one may suffer from sleep apnea, get a sleep study done. A doctor can fit you with a CPAP machine so you can start getting a full night's rest. Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow for another health and wellness tip of the day from all of your friends here at XP Labs.